अगर आप इंटर्नशिप प्लान करना चाहते हो, then almost everybody says the same exact thing कि make a CV, apply through either LinkedIn or Internshala. But the problem is कि thousands of students are already on these platforms and competition बहुत ज़्यादा है. एक listing निकलती है and almost 999 plus students have already applied with the same identical CV. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you the exact roadmap on how to land your first internship. That will help you save months of trial and error. To watch this video till the end. Number 1, stop looking for internships. Instead, start looking for companies. लिंक्डइन पे जाके, इंटर्नशाला पे जाके मार्केटिंग इंटर्नशिप्स, फाइनेंस इंटर्नशिप्स ये सब सर्च करने का बहुत रॉन्ग वे है. Instead, you should make a list of 100 companies that you want to work with. First of all, identify startups, mid-sized companies and even top MNCs. उनकी एक पूरी लिस्ट बनाओ and then we are going to proceed to the next step. Now here's a simple trick. Do not just rely on Google. Use platforms like Wellfound or Y Combinator Startup directly क्योंकि यहाँ पे ना आप सभी लोगों को startups मिल जाएंगे that are actively growing. In fact, many startups don't even post their internships publicly. They simply hire those students who reach out at the right time. Second, don't apply, find hiring signals. Most of the students तब apply करते हैं जब already job list हो चुकी है. तब तक already 500 या फिर ज़्यादा 2000 students भी apply कर चुके होते हैं. But instead of that, you need to identify the signals before it is officially posted. So simply go on LinkedIn and search for terms like we are hiring, looking for interns and growing our team. और फिल्टर लगा देना past 24 hours का या फिर past week का. इससे आपको डायरेक्टली पोस्ट दिख जाएंगे from the founders. So directly reach out before the internship is officially listed. उस टाइम पे आप सिर्फ 20 या 50 लोगों के साथ compete कर रहे होगे rather than 2000. Third, the LinkedIn trick that nobody uses. So instead of just typing marketing internship on LinkedIn, use the Boolean search operator. For example, marketing intern or marketing internships and India, or finance intern and remote, or simply just search hiring interns. So save these searches and turn on job alerts on LinkedIn ताकि कुछ भी posting आती है तो you get notified on your email. Fourth, hidden internship websites. We all know LinkedIn and Internshala, but only a few people actually know these platforms. For startup internships, use Wellfound, and for remote internships, you can check out Remote OK or We Work Remotely. And secondly, if you want recognized work experience, then you should check out Faraj page क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो top companies होते हैं, they list out their virtual internships. Herein, you'll learn all the skills, you'll actually go through the course, and you get a free certificate as well. Fifth, your resume is not the problem. It just looks like everyone else's. Now that we are talking about CV, do not just simply use the outdated version or the outdated templates from Microsoft Word, and do not use these type of templates. Instead, you can use some free tools like Flow CV, Reactive Resume or Reactive IO's free templates. Or even better, we can use AI. तो अपना resume आप simply ChatGPT पे upload कर सकते हो and वहाँ पे ये prompt paste कर देना that I'm showing on the screen right now. You can simply take a screenshot of the same. Next is the portfolio hack. If you do not have any experience, you should create your proof of work. Marketing students can build an Instagram strategy for brands such as Zomato, Nike, etc. Finance students can create a financial model, and instead of sending random Google Drive folders, you can organize everything on Notion. You can also create a free portfolio using Google Pages and GitHub sites. Next, build your personal brand. Imagine there are two candidates. They have same CGPA, they belong to the similar colleges, they possess similar skill set. Then who is gonna get selected? The only difference is that one candidate regularly posts on LinkedIn, uploads videos on YouTube, creates some reels on Instagram, or have a portfolio on GitHub. Who do you think HR is more likely to shortlist? Obviously this one. So please start documenting your learning. Next, if you're a college student, then your college must have a society named Placement Cell or Internship Cell. So you can directly reach out to them as well. They will help you build your CV. So finally, remember, internship is not just about collecting a lot of certificates. It's about gaining practical experience and actually learning, doing hands-on. So internship अगर आपको अच्छी मिलती है, तो that can also lead to your first full-time job. I hope you like this video. If you do, kindly hit the subscribe button, like करना video को, and let us know if you have any doubt in the comments. See you in the next video.